Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. Polygon MATIC should get one more low still, unchanged from previous updates, still holding above the August lows, which came down here to around about 53 cents. Another low is expected still at this stage. What would be the key resistance level that needs to hold now? So I would potentially change my view. If the price gets above that 57.6 cent level on the microstructure, this would be resistance for a deep retracement. I'm using the 78.6 retracement here as resistance for the simple reason that while I think this could be a wave 4 here, I am unsure due to the size. So what could be the case, for example, obviously, we're looking for one more low here, have been for a while. It happened, right? And now it's come down quite deep again. It's just consolidating massively, probably due to the weekend now. But I'm unsure if this is a wave 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or if we are still in a third wave, then we would get 2 more lows, right? Because the third wave could unfold as an ABC structure. A wave down, B wave due to the size, and then a C wave down. So for risk management purposes and to make everybody aware that we could get 2 more lows instead of just 1. And if it turns earlier, even better. But I would rather put it like that because I think this wave 5 seems to be unfolding as an ending diagonal again. So the wave 1 was an ABC, the wave 2 anyway. The wave 3 could be an ABC. Okay, so A, B, C. That is sort of my best view at the moment. Now, wave 3 could also sit here, and then we're already in wave 4. But the resistance, let's just give it a little bit more space due to the potential that this is a B wave. And I would say against the 52.6 cent level, we can focus on lower to do a third wave, then a fourth and a fifth. And it should really reach sort of this area around 46 to 48 cents. We defined those targets before. The 48 cent level, 48.5, that's the larger 78.6 retracement level, and then there is a Fibonacci extension level that points towards 46.7 cents. As soon as we have the next low in place and then also the next lower high in a wave 4, we can define the target for the last wave down. At the moment, I assume this is just a B wave due to the size, so I'd rather keep it like that. But yeah, the relevant support is 48.6 and then 46.7 cents, and we focus on lower against 57.6. So only a break above that level would make us rethink what's going on here. Let me take out that resistance area, which did hold at the time. And then bear in mind, if we zoom out a little bit, we also have here a descending trend line that can be watched for a potential reaction. We can extend that down a little bit. Yeah, so pay attention to that trend line as well. I'm not sure how reliable that is. Yeah, and that one more low here of 2 more lows to 48 cents should bring price below the June lows. And that is what is required in this wave count. That's what we'd like to see at the moment. But just be aware that if I go to the indicator side, looking at the daily, I think it still has a little bit of space on the daily MACD. So it actually came down quite a lot already, as you can see. But another low could form a lower low on the price chart and a higher low on the indicator. Yeah, so just that's what I'm watching for. If we make another low, do we get a bullish divergence on the indicator, which would be good. If the next low produces a lower low, that would be not so good. That would rather confirm a much deeper move to come. But if the next low, ideally around 48 cents, 48.5, if that produces a higher low on the indicator, that would be great. Because then we have on the daily chart a clear indication that the trend wants to shift back to the upside. At the moment, we have no confirmation for that. It's too early. And it looks like another low is missing. So the problem is it possible to rally from here? Yeah, I mean, anything is possible. But take a look at the structure of this low. It is clearly corrective. It's a very clear 3-wave move to the upside. Yes, the move down is choppy as well. But a 3-wave move to the upside, you just can't see that with a high probability as a as the beginning of a new uptrend, okay? It's too early for that. So I prefer here one more low, maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after. And it's pretty much in line with what we expect for Bitcoin, Ethereum as well. But pay attention to resistance. I mean, you need to understand when everybody gets bearish, and I mean, we've been bearish now, short-term bearish for a while, many of these coins. Just be aware, at some point it will just turn around, right? At some point it will just turn around and you can't necessarily predict when exactly it's going to be. We're watching certain levels. If price shows a reaction to these levels, great. If it happens a little earlier, sometimes it just is what it is on the crypto charts, then it can go fast. But at the moment, due to the uncertainty in the market, I would rather always wait for some kind of a signal that the turning point has occurred and the price is already going in the other direction to the upside, instead of just trying to catch the falling knife. But I mean, eventually it's all going well. We had a trend reversal area here. Great. Yeah, I made you aware that this is only a corrective rally with a high likelihood pullback zone. And now we are again in the same region. So this area is still relevant, right, as a larger trend reversal area. It's just that on the lower time frame, there isn't the setup there yet to start moving to the upside. But overall, MATIC is still one of the better long-term charts. So that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.